Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we are with Swartz Restoration. We're here in Anna, Ohio, to let you know that if your home or your business experience any sort of water damage, we're here to help you out. So maybe it's a leaky faucet that saturates your floor, or maybe a water supply line breaks on your dishwasher or your washing machine and it soaks down to the basement. Or maybe it's your sump pump backs up. Or maybe even a storm rolls through the area and causes all sorts of water damage in your home. We're here to let you know that we can help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. We've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our heart to care for people going through these certain types of disasters, whether it's water, fire, storm damage. It's our heart to care for people all the way through this process. So if you find yourself in one of these disasters, in one of these situations, feel free to call our office at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service. Or feel free to check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.